Hello folks, this is Galaxy 99 V2 for my friend Rabbit. Do a little test video. First thing we'll look at, the frequency. She's right on. You can just bar the bumper, of course. Close enough right there, huh? Anyway, we'll start out with low dead key. Way less than a watt. He was using it to run different drivers and stuff.
Hello, audio. Oh, by the way, that's a 10 watt slug RMS, average, whatever you like to call it. Hello, audio. 10. Less than a watt, 3/4 watt. Audio on.
Alright. We'll turn the RF power wide open now.
Audio. Audio, hello. There's your 10 RMS in the corner.
Alright, let's look at the see. We'll get focused in here. 50 watt slug, average, RMS.
Hello, check. Hello, check.
16 watts. We're gonna go on the PP. 1X.
Hello, audio. Hello, audio. She's showing right at 30 there. Hello, 1, 2, 3.
And that does have the mod limiter in it. MOSFET style radio.
Higher tone all the way down. 1, 2, 3. As you can see, she's healthy. Got a good clear sound, good clear talk back. That ought to do it, right?
Oh, here's your receiver. Well, there's one down, Rabbit. I know I still got more to go. Hope y'all enjoyed the video. Your friend 10 018 Beavis, back quiet.